Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to download and install MX Linux 25.2 on VMware workstation. Okay, first go to MX Linux official website and download. It is mxlinux.org. Click on download. See here we have different editions XFCE, KD and others. This video I am going to download and install this XFCE, but the installation process is same for all desktop editions. Click on this XFCE. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 2.8 gigabytes. I'm cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware workstation. Then click on create any virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Then click on next. Then select the installer disk image file, that is ISO. Then click on browse. Then select the downloaded ISO file. Then click on open. Click on next. Now select the Linux, then select the version as Debian Linux because this is based on Debian. So select the latest version of the Debian 64-bit. Click on next, and then provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving MX. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the location. Here you have the enough space. Now provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is a virtual machine summary. If you want to modify none of this settings, click on customize hardware. I want to increase memory to 4 gigabytes. Click on close. Click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click and select settings, or go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. If you want to provide description, you can provide here. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is MX25.2 XFCE x64. Hit enter. See here MX25.2 Infinity. This is the code name. You can click on install MX Linux or just double click on this installer. Both are same. Click on this install MX Linux. See, these are the terms of use. And keyboard settings, if you want to modify this, click on keyboard settings, then you can select the keyboard model and layouts. Then click on next. Select the type of installation, regular install using entire disk or customize disk layout. If you want to encrypt data, you have to select the checkbox. Then click on next. Then select the device and click on start. See, installation is in progress. Now it is going to create swap file. This is the location and this is the size. Then click on next. Now we have to provide the computer name or host name. Later also we can change this one. Then click on next. This is the local settings, United States American English, and this is the time zone. You can change from this drop down if you want. If you are okay with this one, keep it as it is and click on next. Now we have to create our setup user. This is the username. Then set the password for this user. If you want to set the password for root account, select this one and set the password. Then click on next. See, installation is in progress. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the first installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Click on finish. Click on close. Now restart. Right click on this one. Then power. Then select the restart guest. See here the message. Please remove the disk. Close the tray. Then press enter. Okay. Right click on this machine. Then go to settings. Then go to CD DVD and select both the check boxes. Then click on OK. Then come to here and hit enter. Now provide the password that we have set for this user. Hit enter. See, before we are having install MX Linux option here. Now it is gone. On the desktop also you are having install option. Now it is all gone. Click on close. Now open the terminal. Increase the font size. Now verify the version mod/etc. See here, it is based on Debian Linux. Okay, 13.5. It is the latest version of the Debian. Control A. Now verify IP of this machine. ifconfig IP addr. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay. Now run the ifconfig. See, we got the IP address. The first step after connecting to MX Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update control A sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. See, all packages are up to date. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install MX Linux 25.2 on VMware workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.